Pigs make me sneeze. Gerald, what do you want to do today?
I want,
Yes? A what? A ball? A swim? A hat?
Choo!
Are you okay?
I do not know. Achoo! I cannot stop achoo! Sneezing. Oh no! What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo!
What if you tried to sneeze more softly?
Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever.
But Gerald...
No, do not speak. It's too late. Achoo! Goodbye.
Gerald. Are you okay, Gerald?
No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze. And Piggie is a pig. Piggie is also my best friend. Achoo! Great. Now cats make me sneeze too.
I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold.
A cold?
You are sick.
I am sick! Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggie, great news! I have a cold!
Good for you. Achoo! Oh, excuse me. Wasn't that a silly mistake? Poor Gerald was so worried that he was allergic to his best friend. Can you imagine being allergic to Piggie? But don't worry, it was just a little cold. It reminds us that sometimes we get scared or worried about things that aren't actually that scary. And when we feel a bit under the weather, a good friend and some rest are the best medicine. Thank you for reading with me. Stay healthy and keep smiling. Goodbye, everyone. See you soon. Bye-bye.